Saudi Arabia vows to protect oil facilities after drone attack. The attack on the kingdom's Ras Tanura port on Sunday caused a brief spike in oil prices. Saudi Arabia said it would guarantee global energy security and deter further attacks on its infrastructure, days after a missile and drone on the world's largest oil export terminal. The kingdom will take necessary and deterrent measures to protect its national resources, Foreign Minister Prince Faisal bin Farhan said in Riyadh, alongside visiting Russian counterpart Sergei Lavrov. The failed attempts to target the port of Ras Tanura do not only target the security of the economy and Saudi Arabia. They target the global economy and its oil supplies. The international community needs to take a strong stance to prevent such attacks, Prince Faisal said, blaming Iran for supplying the Houthis with ballistic weapons. Shrapnel from one projectile landed close to a residential compound for employees of Saudi Aramco, which operates Ras Tanura on the kingdom's east coast. Benchmark Brent crude has surged 75% since early November to $68 a barrel as the OPEC Plus cartel restricts supplies and major economies roll out coronavirus vaccines. It briefly topped $71 on Monday in the wake of the attacks and after the alliance, comprising members of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and others including Russia and Mexico, surprised markets last week by deciding against raising output in April. Moscow had tried earlier this year to convince Riyadh to increase production, fearing that higher prices would lead rival shale companies in the U.S. to pump more and boost their market share. Yet Lavrov said on Wednesday that Russia and Saudi Arabia, the two de facto leaders of OPEC+,